Hello and welcome to today's video. As you can see, the parts of the washing machine have been moved into the laundry room. Dog crate, she doesn't really use it. And you can see I got the new transmission in. Just wanted to show you the difference between the two. So this is the one that I took out, obviously, that went bad. And listen to those bearings. Pretty crunchy. Here's the new one. Yep. Yeah, they're nice, perfectly smooth, spin forever. Clutch looks like it works. And I got, so all the parts are just kind of hanging out in here, but got some marine grease for the bearings, and if it can keep water out of your boat through the prop, I think it'll work for washing machine. I got another belt because the other one looks like it got burnt in one spot where the motor was spinning because the bearings had seized up. And got a new bushing here, new seal. This is what failed on the old one, and a new washer. And that's pretty much everything that goes into the drivetrain assembly. And everything else is going to be the same, so we'll replace the belt and everything else. Now here's the interesting thing. Well, here's the old bearing. Obviously going to replace the old washer. Everything else is going to be replaced. But here's the old seal. I've cleaned it up as best as I could, and it still looks like it's in pretty decent shape. It's a very, it's very hard. It's like, it's made out of rubber, but it's very stiff. Like I can't even squish it. But what I was thinking is, I'm going to force this onto the shaft, and if you look, it's actually about the right size to shield the bearing. So what happened on the one that failed is we had water ran down here into the bearing, and that's what destroyed it, right? So you can see the bearing in there, and that's what got destroyed. Whereas the new one, that's not a sealed bearing, but it's actually nice and smooth, perfect. But I think if I put this on here, right, this is the old one, and put it over the shaft and get it fairly close, I think I can actually shield. So if it leaks, if water runs down here again, it'll just fling off, right? Because this spins, it'll just fling off of there. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to stick that on there, because once you get past that, it's just going to go off the edge here. So I think I'm liking that, because it's all the profile is sloped right and everything. So I think I'm just going to slip that on there before I assemble it. And if water does run down there, it will just get flung off by this. This is like an $8 part. This is like $150 some part. So if that saves it the next time, because it will fail. Eventually it'll fail. I mean, you got a moving part going through a non-moving part. And of course, it's eventually going to just die. But anyways, yeah, I think we'll go ahead and do that. And hopefully next video is of it up and running. I got to just put it all back together. Do a little cleaning in here so that it's not, that all got rusted out from the galvanized steel from the water that was collecting down there. But everything else should be okay. And yeah. Anyways, go ahead and put it back together, and thanks for watching. Bye.